Hey guys, so I just checked into the Wyndham Garden Hotel in Lake Buena Vista, which is the one right by Disney Springs, and just thought I would give you a quick room tour. We have 2 queen beds. That is the room that we are booked in. Nice comfy beds. This is really cool. It's got the dresser, like lots of drawers. And then you've got the hooks. Of course, you've got a bench for your luggage. That I think is like a perfect place for shoes or whatever. We do have, of course, outlets with the USB, TV. I do like that you also have a little ottoman right there. And of course, the outlets. And then here in the bathroom, you've got the storage underneath the sink. They do give you some nice amenities. Got the shower. And of course the toilet. And then on the other side, we have a little closet so you can hang up your stuff. So a great room, and like I said, we're right across from Disney Springs, so you can actually just take the walkway over and probably like 5 minutes be at Disney Springs.